A parliamentary panel is likely to summon top executives of private airlines and senior officials of Directorate General of Civil Aviation (Dgca) and Ministry of Civil Aviation over massive disruption in air services caused by Indigo's large-scale flight cancellations across the country. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture, chaired by JDU leader Sanjay Jha, is expected to seek a detailed explanation on the causes of disruptions and possible solutions. A committee member said the panel has taken serious note of difficulties faced by thousands of passengers stranded at airports nationwide. Several parliamentarians returning to the national capital for winter session were also affected by Indigo's cancellations and delays by other airlines. MPs have further reported receiving numerous complaints from citizens about steep hikes in airfares amid the crisis. Meanwhile, CPIM Rajya Sabha member John Brittas has demanded formation of Joint Parliamentary Committee (JCP) or judicial inquiry to examine large-scale disruptions of flights. Indigo cancelled more than 220 flights at Delhi and Mumbai airports on Sunday, December 7, as the crisis entered its sixth day despite efforts to restore normal operations. The Aviation Ministry has ordered Indigo to finish issuing refunds for all cancelled flights by 8 p.m. of December 7 and ensure that separated baggage is delivered within 48 hours. Meanwhile, Dgca on Saturday issued notices to Indigo CEO Peter Elbers and COO and accountable manager Porqueras, seeking an explanation for the prolonged disruptions. In a statement issued on Sunday, Indigo said the Board of Interglobe Aviation has set up a crisis management group that is meeting regularly to monitor the situation. The airline said its board of directors is taking all possible measures to address customer challenges and ensure timely refunds to affected passengers.